Welcome, tech enthusiasts, to a transformative journey towards optimized connectivity with Connected Tunnel VIP VPN. Say farewell to sluggish internet speeds as we guide you through the steps to enhance your browsing potential. Let's dive into this comprehensive tutorial to unlock the full capabilities of your online interactions. Tutorial steps. Step 1. Seamless installation process. Kickstart your digital enhancement by opening the Google Play Store and searching for the Connected Tunnel VIP VPN. Download and install the app to begin your journey towards optimized internet browsing. Step 2. Stay updated with updates. Upon successful installation, launch the app and explore the interface. Locate the Updates button and tap on it to ensure you have access to the latest features and enhancements for an enriched browsing experience. Step 3. Update your app online. Prioritize your app's performance by selecting the online option to update the app. This step guarantees that you are always up to date with the newest advancements, ensuring a seamless and efficient browsing journey. Step 4. Optimize your connection. Fine-tune your online experience by opting for the Auto-Select Server option. This strategic choice is designed to deliver peak performance, ensuring a smooth and effective browsing experience tailored to your needs. Step 5. Embrace global connectivity. Enhance your browsing capabilities by selecting the All-Country UDP option. This choice expands your digital reach and ensures optimized connectivity across various locations for an enriched online experience. Step 6. Initiate your secure browsing experience. Conclude this empowering process by tapping on the Start button. Begin your secure browsing journey with Connected Tunnel VIP VPN, setting the stage for an expedited and secure online interaction. Conclusion. Congratulations on optimizing your online experience with Connected Tunnel VIP VPN. Embrace faster speeds, enhanced security, and global connectivity as you navigate the digital realm with confidence. Remember to initiate the app and explore its features to further personalize your browsing adventure. Enjoy a secure, efficient, and expedited online experience with Connected Tunnel VIP VPN.